Here we have the two Ruckuses, the Ruckusi. The one on the left is the gas version, and on the right we have the electric. Let's go over the differences. Gauge on this guy, digital. You turn it on, you get a whole screen. The normal Ruckus, we have gas. We have just a normal speedometer. The seat is seat's definitely bigger. One hand, a little bit bigger than a hand. The turning signals are definitely different on this one. When you hit the signals. Oh no, it doesn't go out of that. I thought that went out of there, but it just goes out of there still. On the electric one, it comes with these little guys, but on the gas one, it has the stock, but that's kind of for you, not for the passenger in the back. Two shocks on the electric one, just one over here, but it actually looks about the same size. This looks beefier. That's a tiny little shock for this whole bike. The seat, if you look at it, it's literally like it hooks up the same way, has the same shape, everything, but it's smaller over here. It's just a little bit smaller. Let's put them a little closer so we can see it a little better. One of them is just slightly tinier than the other. The handle grips though so this is a 2002 Honda Ruckus, and this is whatever year they just came out, like last year in Japan this came out. There are pedals on the, so this is technically the Zoomer, but there are pedals on the Ruckus, but you have the free backspin and then you can pedal forward. But if you're going above 5, they really do absolutely nothing. Indicators, instead of being right here for low gas and high beams, are just on your screen. The horn sounds about the same too. Probably the same horn. Instead of a cable braking system, these are hydraulic brakes. Not that the vehicle necessarily needs it, but a great little addition, front and back. This right here is a helmet lock, so you put your helmet on, you put your helmet in there and then you can lock it and then people can't steal it. And that comes stock on that bike, but there is no helmet lock on the electric version. This bucket underneath I added doesn't normally come with that bucket, but if you open it, you got a bunch of stuff in there. So yeah, I can hide stuff in here, but in this one, if you pop it, it's just a battery. You don't get anything else. This one though does, if you take the key out and try to move it, it locks up. It gets really upset and then doesn't let you move it. And it will beep for a really long time. So security's pretty good. And you can turn it off. The tires are a little different. We'll go to the front tire. Got a pretty thick tire on that one, thin one on that one. This is almost a thick bicycle tire, while this is a thin motorcycle tire. Here's my shoe for reference. Pretty thick, but about the same size. Lights on the front, they've gone from like halogens and whatever these big bulb things are to LEDs. And then the whole motor's just in the back wheel, which is weird. Which is really weird, because there's a chain. I don't understand what? Okay, so we got a chain. Oh, it's for the pedals. The chain's for the pedals to the free gear, and then the 48-volt motor dude is in the back. That makes sense. So you do technically have dual drive. I could upgrade the suspension really easy, way easier than that. Whatever. The motor, just swap the back wheel at that point. Like, I bet there's a place to mount a motor in there too. If I wanted to do like a mid-drive, just put a fat wheel on the back. I'm stock with a plate, no plate. It would cover the light, which is, it's not even built for a plate. Oh, the license plate goes down here. That makes sense. I just never put it on. There was a video I saw, if someone can find it, that someone did a Mario Kart race in the street with this bike, like a Yoshi bike, a Mario bike. There was a couple other bikes, like a couple people on go-karts, and I have not been able to find it. And then I ended up buying this bike off of the internet somewhere and offer up. Absolutely love it, but I haven't been able to find the video. I realized I saw it in a video after I bought the bike, which was ironic. This one comes with this weird like mounty plate thing. It covers whatever that thing is, but you can definitely mount stuff to it. Maybe for like a sidecar. This one, no sidecar capabilities, and the ears bend still.